Hi, I want to show you how to check my comments, which is super important. And so here we go. So go into grades, that's the first step. I'm in my test student and my test student hasn't turned in a lot of assignments. So I'm going to go down to this one. All right, so here are the three ways I give feedback to you. One way is with a rubric. Almost always have a rubric, and it's this icon, no, this one right here. So you can expand that and sort of see, oh, where did I lose points, I also use the assignment comments for big issues, like if I need you to like if you submitted a document that I can't open, or I think you submitted the wrong draft of an essay or something like that. So big things like that, I will leave in assignment comments. So, hi test student, you're supposed to include 3 complete entries and you've only got 2. Please resubmit right away so I can grade your completed assignment. And I'm going to show you how to get those notifications in a second, but that's right there. So if you ever see that icon, click on it. Okay, the most important way I leave comments is in the document itself, and I mostly do that in the major assignments, the essays, but I do it also in the smaller assignments. So to get there, you click here, view feedback, and then you use this little expander to make your document big, and then you'll see comments. And this one only has 2, but your essays will have a lot more than that. And it's really important for you to look at all the comments I make on your essay, because then you can correct course for next time. Okay, and to get notifications, I can't show you in Test Student because it blocks me, but I'm going to show you in mine. Hold on. All right, I'm back in my account, and so to change my notification settings, I just click on Account and click on Notifications, and there are a whole bunch of settings, and like this one means I think you get them right away. This one means you get them once a day. Oh, it's up here, send daily summary. This means you get a weekly summary. Yeah, here's the little legend up here, and then if you have the X marked, then you're not getting anything. So the one that I just showed you, submission comments, you want to get those right away, really, or daily. Those are important.